We've spent 3 years researching dating app use, and it's been hard, but we've also learned a lot. We've heard from over 900 people across the UK, and today we're here to give you our top tips on what to do and not to do on dating apps. First up, do read profiles very carefully. Take time to understand who you're talking to, what they're like, and what they're looking for. It's okay not to match.
Now, importantly, don't ignore red flags. There are plenty of other people out there, so if something or someone feels off, trust your gut. At least ask the right questions that you want answers to.
Do take sensible precautions when communicating and meeting people. Meet in public places like cafes or shops. Tell a friend where you're going and keep them updated of your whereabouts.
Every person has their own approach to dating. Some like to meet others face to face just after a few texts. Others prefer to take their time. Some text back immediately, and some take a few hours or even a few days to write back. Find out what feels right for you. Now, not everyone that you talk to has to be the one. Be open-minded. Maybe you'll make great friends, or maybe you'll learn something interesting. Dating apps require quite a lot of work. It's not enough to install them on your phone. It takes time, patience, and often involves talking with many people.
Report discrimination, abuse, and fraud immediately. These platforms should be safe for everyone. And don't be ashamed to seek professional support if things go wrong. It's always okay to ask for help.
Do familiarize yourself with the app's policies. Know how your data is being used. Don't sign up if you have concerns about your personal data. And remember, everything you upload on the app will now be theirs to use. And yes, that includes those pictures.
Find health information in reputable sources, like healthcare providers or government websites. Trust the experts when it comes to your well-being.
So we hope these have been of help. If you want to learn more about our work, you can watch our other videos.